The Huck360 is the most advanced nut and bolt fastening system in the industry today. Designed to be virtually maintenance-free, the Huck360 is engineered to provide the superior installed values of a Huck bolt while offering the ability to be installed and removed with conventional tools. Installation of the Huck360 is fast and easy. Notice how much faster it is to install than prevailing torque lock nuts in this timed comparison. The Huck360 was made to be free spinning, resulting in faster handwork and faster tool installations. In contrast, lock nuts require prevailing torque to install. That's why they're difficult to hand tighten and why tools have to work harder to drive the nut down to the work surface. The Huck360 was designed with a shallow, low notch factor bolt thread. This makes the effective cross-sectional area of the bolt as much as 18% higher, increasing both shear and fatigue strength. In fact, the Huck360 thread delivers 5 times the fatigue life of a standard thread bolt. Huck360 is vibration resistant due to the unique way the bolt thread embeds itself in the softer nut material. In transverse vibration comparisons, clamp load quickly decays with conventional nuts and bolts, while it holds constant with the Huck360. 5 times the fatigue life, strong and vibration resistant, faster installation time. Huck360 outperforms the competition hands down. Huck360.
Arconic Fastening Systems, innovation engineered.